This is lesson number 4, and today I'm going to be talking about why social media is kind of like a humanitarian project. It's like a charity foundation. This is an unpopular opinion, but I need you to stay with me for the next couple of seconds. You're not going to get money out of it because you write amazing copy or you spend X amount of money on ads or any of that stuff. Think Pareto's principle. 80% of the movers and shakers that you need to connect with for that next level profit on your business aren't on social media. Here's what exactly I'm saying. The real decision makers whose patronage your business needs to take your profit to the next level do not live on social media. They visit. If you're trying to sink in funds to create a certain type of effect, that's not working. Obviously, it's not working for you. The question that brings is, where are you going to find them? Offline. It's a simple answer. Offline. I'll see you in the next video.